We have proclaimed martial law in accordance with the powers vested in the President.
Today, I have returned as the President of a free people.
The leader must be caring, sharing, and giving.
Walang kaibigan, walang kumpare, huwag niyo kong subukan.
I pledge to bring you a pro-poor agenda that will lift up our poorest brothers and sisters.
Kayo ang boss ko, kaya't hindi maaaring hindi ako makinig sa mga utos ninyo.